Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn systems of equations together, step by step. A system is just two equations that share the same two variables. Each equation is a line on a graph. The solution is the single point where both lines cross the one pair of x and y that makes both equations true at once. Our job is to find that crossing point, sometimes with a graph, sometimes with algebra. There are two reliable algebra methods. Substitution. Solve one equation for a single variable, then plug that into the other. Elimination. Add or subtract the equations, so one variable cancels out. Pick substitution when a variable is already alone. Pick elimination when terms line up to cancel. Both lead to the same answer. Let's use substitution. We have y equals 2x, and 3x plus y equals 10. Since y is already 2x, replace y in the second equation. 3x plus 2x is 5x equals 10. So x is 2. Now back substitute y equals 2 times 2, which is 4. The solution is the point 2, 4. Now elimination. We have x plus y equals 7, and x minus y equals 1. Notice the y terms are opposites, so add the equations straight down. The y's cancel, and 2x equals 8. That gives x equals 4. Plug back into the first equation. 4 plus y is 7, so y is 3. The solution is 4, 3. Remember, solving a system means finding the point where two lines meet. Substitution works great when a variable is already isolated, and elimination shines when terms cancel. Whichever you choose, finish the job by finding both x and y, then write your answer as an ordered pair. Two methods, one crossing point. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.